small spaces, something that we don't know what to do with it. But you know, one thing that I have that will spruce up this small space is this rug. Okay, I got this rug from Amazon. I was looking for something that was going to fit a small space, not something 5 by 7, which is usually the basic size that everybody gets for like a living room setting. I wanted something big but slightly smaller, something that was going to just make a pop, have a nice play area for any of the children that want to be behind me while I'm working at my desk, or just if I want to lay on it just because I feel like it, just anything. So we have this hardwood floor and it gets cold. It's getting into the winter time, and that is also why I wanted to get this rug. This is a shag rug. These I'm finding are very easy to actually wash. The thinner that the actual mat is itself versus the thickness of the shag, it's going to be easy to wash. I don't know if that makes sense, but I will definitely make a video showing you how these are washed and what they come out like. So this actually came with some sticky pads that you put on the bottom of the rug, which I thought was fabulous, absolutely amazing. I have never ever bought a rug from Amazon where the sticky tapes come on the bottom. It's always something that I have to go get separately. So I really, really love that. Other than that, like you're seeing, this is very easy to install. It's just a rug, but having the stickers makes it total difference. I'll go ahead and link this directly on this video for you to go ahead and purchase.